Hello and welcome to Definitely Not a Cult Wrench. The sun is setting. It's beautiful. It's absolutely wonderful. These are the wonderful Magdalena Mountains up here in New Mexico. We're at like 6,500 foot elevation. Our cistern's coming along. We're going to be finishing this up. This is about 14 foot across and like 18 foot long. This is going to hold 12 to 15,000 gallons of water. We're running our generator right now because we're cooking chicken tendies in the air fryer, and it demands a lot of power, so we run the generator, and a lot of times at night we top off our battery for solar before we bed down for the night. Coming in over here, giving you a little quick tour. I'm walking around the RV. Got our beautiful roosters going on here, but we're building a bonsai zen garden in the middle of the desert, which is pretty cool. Here's our fancy little Buddha head that we got from Walmart of all places, and our landscaping is coming together. Our illustrious fire pit, and if you could see, we're making garden beds. This is all dirt that I've been digging up, and I've been stirring in cow manure, and we're going to be planting flowers and some cactuses here. Here's our fire pit. You can see the wheelbarrow over here. This wheelbarrow, I've just been moving all of this dirt and just dumping this. This right here is probably like 40 wheelbarrow loads, and that back there, I'll show it to you, is about 100 wheelbarrow loads. So it's a pretty big undertaking. We're going to be filling all of this in with dirt the same way. Here's one of our raised things. We're going to be doing some really cool landscaping and putting some fancy cactuses in here and throwing some really cool LED lights on. And if you see over here, this is where see this dirt. This is literally about 100 wheelbarrows worth of dirt. It's Minecraft in real life, right? Here's where I'm digging all of the dirt out, and this is going to be a retention pond. So as all the water rolls down the mountains in monsoon season, hopefully it's just going to dump in here and fill it out, and we're going to be able to store it, filter it, and put it in our cistern. So anyway, this is our evening. There's the puppies playing, and I'm walking back through our zen bonsai garden that we're going to be standing up here. Here's some beautiful puppers doing pupper stuff, and Cheryl dancing, playing with the puppies, and our little night lights. So, we're showing you the real thing of like homesteading. There's a lot of people who have a whole bunch of fancy editing and camera angles and music and stuff. Y'all, I don't know if you can see this. I got dirt under my nails. That's how you know it's a real homesteading channel. It's because I got dirt under my nails. Ooh, there goes puppies. Oh, that just got the ball. Guys, see this? 4 months ago, Duchess was dumped on the river and the Rio Grande in New Mexico. And we had to lure her into our van with puppy treats and Domino's pizza crust. But she didn't even know how to go and play with the ball. And here we are. This is so amazing. I'm going to go and have some more updates here. But we're building a bonsai zen garden up on our off-grid property, and hope you all join us. We're gonna be doing bonsai trees pretty soon and teaching people how to go and do that, and might sell some. We're also gonna be having a whole bunch of cool cactuses and stuff. So if you're interested in buying cactus bonsai trees or different things, let us know. Oh, what you doing there, Cheryl?
I'm playing with puppies.
She's playing with puppies. Well, hey guys, I'm getting out of here.